So now this is what you're meant to do. When you are selecting real sounds to use on your videos, see, sounds like this are the ones you can use. Sounds like this. Any sound, look at what is written there. You can see the person's Instagram handle, then original audio. You can use sounds like this. But any sound that you're seeing, like the name of the popular artist, right? You can use them on your posts, but just know that post is not a post you can ever try to run ads for. Look at this one. Keys Daniel. He's the exact name of the song. This is the original sound from the artist. If you use this on a post, you cannot use it for ads, right? You can't use the post for ads because of the sound. It will tell you copyright music cannot be used for ads. So be watchful of the kind of sounds you use. That's what I'm trying to explain, all right? Any sounds that you see is all these maybe talking people or an artist or something, and it's not like the original sound from the musical artist. Maybe it's a DJ mix or a talking reel or something. They are good to use, but original sounds cannot be used on posts that you want to boost. So if you know you want to make the post, you want to use popular sound, just know there's no chance that you boost it, right? It means you have no intention of boosting the post. So that's what you need to do.